everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. As we know that NIFT 2026 counseling is going on, and right now the first round counseling is in progress. The document verification is till 24th of June, and the choice filling and locking is till 25th of June, and the result will be declared on 27th of June. But after result declaration, what is next? Like, what is freeze, float, slide, and what about payment? If you have this doubt, so this video is just for you. So please watch this video till end. So starting with your result declaration, once you get your result, आप जाओ जाके website पे check करो either you get a campus or not. If you get a campus, very good. If you don't get a campus, don't worry. NIFT के बहुत सारे rounds होते हैं, तो you will get a campus. If you get a campus, what is next? So the next thing is you will get three options, which is freeze, float, and slide. So starting with the first option, which is freeze. So for example, if you are okay with the campus you allotted and you don't want upgradation, you don't want to participate on the further counseling round, you will choose the option which is freeze. The second option is float, which basically means the campus you allotted, you are okay with that campus, but you want upgradation. For example, you get your third preference, which is NIFT Kannauр, and your first and second preference is Delhi or Hyderabad. So you want that first or second preference, so you wanted to participate in the further counseling round, so you are choosing the option float. The third option is slide, which means the campus you allotted, you are okay with that campus, but the department you allotted, you are not okay with that department. For example, you get the campus which is NIFT Delhi, but the department you get which is FD, and you want your first preference which is FC Fashion Communication. So you are choosing a option slide, which means you want the upgradation in your department in the same campus and you wanted to participate in the further counseling round. The next important question is what about payment? So either you choose freeze, float, and slide, you had to pay the fee to secure your seat. So this year the semester fee is 1,91,700 and the first round payment date is till 1st of June. So अगर आपको सीट मिल जाती है तो तब तक आप अपनी फी पेमेंट कर दो. अगर आप पेमेंट नहीं करोगे तो आपकी सीट कैंसिल हो जाएगी और आप फर्दर काउंसलिंग राउंड में अलाउड नहीं होगे बैठने के लिए. तो आप जिस डेट में हैं आप उस डेट में अपनी फी को पेमेंट कर दो ताकि आपकी सीट सिक्योर हो जाए. That's it for this video. If you have any other question related to NIFT counseling, आप मुझे कमेंट करो, मैं ट्राई करूंगी आपको हेल्प करने को. एंड दैट्स इट. इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, प्लीज डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल. बाय बाय.